Hello everyone, and welcome to the MSI channel. Today we're diving into one of the year's hottest topics, AI PCs. The spotlight shines on the newly integrated NPU, or Neural Processing Unit, within the latest MSI laptops equipped with the Core Ultra processor. This component is dedicated entirely to AI, boasting impressive performance and significantly reduced power consumption for AI-driven applications. So let's delve deeper into the AI applications that can leverage the power of the NPU. The software most commonly used with an NPU is undoubtedly webcam software, like Windows Studio Effect. It's the software that can optimize webcam image quality like background blur or eye contact. You can easily enable it in the Windows setting on those MSI AI laptops with Core Ultra processors for better webcam image quality. Another type of software commonly used with an NPU is video editing software, like Wondershare Filmora. NPU can support video preview with effects applied, offering smoother playback and lower power consumption, thus extending the battery life of laptops. As you can see, when effects are applied to a video and it is being previewed, the NPU starts to kick in, indicating that it is processing the work of video preview. What's even better is that this feature does not require any additional settings. Simply running Filmora on an MSI AI laptop allows you to enjoy the convenience brought by the NPU. Another type of software commonly used with an NPU is audio editing software, like Audacity. It can accelerate a series of useful functions which is driven by AI like whisper transcription or even the music generation. By installing an additional OpenVino plugin for Audacity, the NPU can accelerate the aforementioned audio editing functions, significantly improving work efficiency. The NPU's support for a wide range of AI-based software already boosts efficiency and extends laptop battery life. Looking ahead, its capability to embrace even more software and features promises further enhancements in both user efficiency and battery longevity. For those seeking a laptop that leverages AI innovation to meet and anticipate work needs, an MSI AI laptop with an NPU stands out as the optimal choice for a state-of-the-art computing experience. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.